Welcome back to Drive Zone. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Toyota FJ Cruiser. Toyota has officially unveiled all the exciting details about this iconic off-roader's comeback, and we're here to break it all down for you. From the rugged design to the advanced features, this is everything you need to know about the 2025 FJ Cruiser. According to the latest updates from Toyota, the 2025 FJ Cruiser is set to redefine adventure. Built with the spirit of exploration in mind, this model retains the classic FJ DNA while incorporating modern technology and design enhancements. Toyota's commitment to delivering a vehicle that thrives both on and off the road is evident in every aspect of the new FJ Cruiser. Starting with the exterior, Toyota has confirmed that the 2025 FJ Cruiser will feature a bold, boxy design that harks back to its legendary predecessors. The rugged silhouette, complete with a wide stance and high ground clearance, ensures that the FJ Cruiser is ready to tackle any terrain. Toyota has also introduced new color options, including the vibrant solar flare yellow and midnight blue pearl, giving adventurers even more ways to express their style. Under the hood, the 2025 FJ Cruiser is equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering 300 horsepower and 290 lb-ft of torque. Toyota has emphasized that this powertrain is designed for both power and efficiency, offering drivers the perfect balance for on-road comfort and off-road capability. The FJ Cruiser also comes with a choice of a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic transmission, allowing enthusiasts to choose their preferred driving experience. Toyota has highlighted the FJ Cruiser's off-road prowess as one of its key selling points. With a reinforced body-on-frame construction, advanced 4WD system, and features like multi-terrain select and crawl control, the 2025 FJ Cruiser is engineered to conquer challenging environments. Whether you're navigating rocky trails, sandy dunes, or muddy paths, this vehicle is built to perform. Toyota's engineers have also improved the approach and departure angles, making the FJ Cruiser more capable than ever. Moving to the interior, Toyota has designed the FJ Cruiser's cabin to be both functional and comfortable. The 2025 model features durable materials that are easy to clean after a day of adventure, along with modern amenities that enhance the driving experience. According to Toyota's latest updates, the FJ Cruiser will include a new 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, as well as a premium sound system for those who want to enjoy their favorite tunes while exploring the great outdoors. Safety is always a priority for Toyota, and the 2025 FJ Cruiser is no exception. The vehicle comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense, a suite of advanced safety technologies that includes pre-collision system, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and more. Toyota has ensured that whether you're on the highway or off the beaten path, you and your passengers are protected at all times. To wrap things up, the 2025 Toyota FJ Cruiser is set to be a game changer in the world of off-road vehicles. With its rugged design, powerful performance, and advanced features, it's clear that Toyota has listened to the demands of adventure enthusiasts. We can't wait to see this vehicle in action and hear what you think about it. Thanks for watching Drive Zone. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all things automotive, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep driving.